Found this little chiffchaff the other day. See there, quite wren like on there, but it's all feathered now. You see it's built that right up and feathered. That lovely chiffchaff is confirmed. It's just been singing above my head. So aye, that's great, that. Good stuff. Right, we'll get out of here. But aye, superb. Get out. There's a new blackbird, quite low to the ground this. Foot and a half off the deck. Aye, nice one that. Bird's just come off there. Aye, good. But not far off the ground, that. He goes. Clutch of four. Let me get out. Look at that thrush with chicks, and there's an unhatched egg, which I didn't see in that little bundle. But you can see what a few days makes. 3 weeks. Clutch of four this had, and one unhatched egg. Oh God, she's back. Right. I'll get out of here. Chicks need to be fed. Just to look back in at this thrush nest, and this was the one where it was all moss that was banked up. There was a lot of moss in the cup when I found this. And a bit of work to do on the nest, but as you can see, the clutch is in for no sitting bird. Magnificent. Right, let me get out of here. Great. Get out. This it's a blackbird's nest here. You can see some lovely camouflage concealed under this little overhang. There's the mossy nest there, and mossy overhang, and I'll just put this over the top. Aye, it's got a clutch of four in there. Aye, that's a beauty, that. Right, get out. Nice one. You can see through there, hopefully. There's a chaffinch is still glued to that nest. I still don't know what clutch she has in here. But they'll be ready to hatch them. Thought I might have just getting the chance to see its clutch today, but I'm not. I'm going to backtrack again. But it's great that she's there. Aye, what a beauty. Look at that nest. Female chaffinch. Right, we'll get out. Just to check on this thrush, which I need the little selfie stick for. So I'll see if I can get over the top. It's a little while since I've checked this, so I think it had a clutch of four. But we'll get over and have a little look, see if we can get what's in there. See from there. I was thinking that because this is a blackbird. The bird's just hopped off it. This was the blackbird, the first blackbird I found was it had that damp mud in that day, and the next time I checked about a week later, it had the solitary egg. And I'm coming across, forgetting it the last time, but here it is doing really well. You can see one egg's hatched. It's had its clutch of 4 and 3 still to hatch. I just had it in my mind that that would have young. Not quite. Right, we'll get out because that mother is still incubating on here, so we'll get out. Yeah, just a little brick wall here, and on one of the little ledges is a blackbird. As you can see there, she's sitting perched on there. This is the 3rd one today. So coming away from that one which had some lovely camouflage to this one which, when you get maybe, what's that, 2 meters away, it stands out like a sore thumb. But maybe I'm doing it a little bit of disservice because when I pan back, or when I take the camera back there, zoom back out, I'm not seeing a lot of it. There she is. Right, we're going to get out of here. Beauty. Let's check back on this little chiffchaff. This was the one I had found with 5 eggs in, I think it had. And it was the soggy mess on the top. It was cold and damp that day off the downpour the night before. But I think I can certainly see 5. Anyway, the bird has just scuttled off there, so very quietly, which is very unusual for the chiffy, but aye. So doing well, We'll get out here. Just have a look at this chaff inch. It's the one that's a little bit higher. See what the clutch is. Aye. Get higher up over. See what I want to do with that. Higher. Yeah, maybe that gets it. Beauties. Right, we'll get out here.